We're talking about a disruptive tenant in this edition of The Law and You. Back with us tonight, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Welcome back tonight, guys.
Is this nice weather going to last for a little while?
Well, you know, so far so good with October, but you get the impression that sooner or later things are going to
stick and mud season's right around the corner.
Kick back to reality.
Yeah, great.
All right, our question tonight involves a problem tenant, Sid in Stroudsburg, saying, I have a 4-unit apartment building and I have one tenant that is making loud noise and drinking in the hallways. He needs to go. What are my steps to evict this tenant? Ed, is this going to be a difficult process for Sid?
Well, it really depends. I mean, it depends, one, whether the tenant has a signed lease. If the tenant does have a signed lease, then you're going to have to go through all the steps that are necessary to evict them under that lease. If they don't have a signed lease, then I mean, it becomes a little bit easier, but you're still going to have to go through a process in order to formally evict the tenant, and you're going to have to show, really show evidence of what this particular tenant is doing, that they're being loud, that they're being disruptive, that they're being drunk in a hallway. It kind of sounds like Greg, his fraternity, so I mean, there is a process that you're going to have to go through.
Yeah, the landlord-tenant stuff, and what happens is it's very difficult from your perspective to get this guy out if you don't have a lease. So we recommend that you have plain English leases that have what are called notice to quit provisions. If you have that in there, you don't have to put the notice on the door. You can speed the process up because the process does take a long time. And the tenants have rights.
Months, right? Months.
It could take months,
right?
And it could be appealed. But the tenants have rights too. So you just can't do self-help. Go to the district judge. They have forms. You fill them out, and you probably need a lawyer sometimes to come and help you fill those out and attend the hearings. But again, landlords have the written leases. It make your life a lot easier.
I hear Greg is reformed these days. Much more calm from those college frat days.
He majored in foosball.
I did.
He was a heck of a foosball.
All right, he's a heck of an attorney right now.
Yes.
If you need the advice of Greg or Ed, you can call or check them out online as well. Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. We'll see you guys next time.
Thanks, Dave.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.